What it do, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, family. Today's video is how to start a YouTube channel. First thing first, we're going to start off by saying smile. Make sure you smile. Are you smiling? Yes, that's first thing first. You got to make sure you smile, because your energy gives off the energy to the people that's watching your video. And how you always start off your day. Smile. Wake up with good energy and smile. So I'm going to start off by saying, first thing first, to start off a YouTube channel, you have to know, even if that's what you want to do, you have to know yourself if that's what you want to do. With that being said, are you energetic? Do you like being in front of cameras? Do you like talking to a camera, knowing that it's people you're not talking to at that moment? You're talking in front of a camera. So do you even want to talk to a camera? Do you like taking pictures? Do you like talking and speaking out loud? If you've always been like photogenic and stuff and not afraid of cameras, then YouTube is definitely for you. That's what I think. I love being in front of a camera. I love taking pictures. I'm photogenic. I'm not afraid of cameras. So like being a YouTuber is just like perfect for me. So that's what you have to know. If you can be in front of a camera and not be shy, not be afraid, not care about what no one think, and just let it flow. Then you want to be a goal-oriented person, like far as like being able to set goals for videos and stuff, like schedules and stuff. When do you want to do videos? What days of the week you want to do videos? Where do you want to do them? What kind of videos you want to do? Not saying that you have to have a niche first starting off. I say, but you need to know what kind of videos you would even think you may want to do, or that you would be good at, and so it can flow naturally, so it won't seem like work. So if you're a person that know how to like set goals and actually reach them, then YouTube is definitely for you already. And another thing also, what I said is not to care about what no one thinks. You cannot be a person that care about what no one thinks if you want to be a YouTuber. Because that comes with getting in front of a camera. If you care about what other people think on the other side of that camera, like far as if they're gonna say like bad stuff to you, if they may not like videos that you producing, this is not for you, because you cannot care. You cannot let it flow naturally if you care about what other people think. You cannot be a content creator if you care about what other people think. Then I would say get a notebook or add notes in your phone so you'll know what kind of videos you want to do, to like jot them down beforehand. Put a list of videos. I say 10, 20, however many you can come up with before you even start, so you won't be like nervous and don't know what to do. You'll kind of like be able to go with the flow more naturally if you like jot down video ideas and already know what you want to do. Plus, that make it seem like you're taking it more seriously if you already know what you're going to do. Like if you already have videos on hand before you even start. That will make you more motivated if you already have videos, because you won't be as nervous because you already got the video ideas down packed. You like boom, boom, boom. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that already beforehand. Now you just ready to go. Then I would say find an editing app that you would want to edit on, like iMovie. Me, myself, use KineMaster on my Android. I don't even use a laptop. So you don't need a laptop. All you need is a cell phone. I edit right from my Android app, KineMaster, right from my camera, right into my phone, and that's how I edit and upload on YouTube. So you don't need all that stuff if you don't have the funds. If you have the funds for a laptop, then yes, buy your laptop and you can edit on your laptop. But me, myself, I've been doing YouTube over a year now, almost 2 years, and I edit from my Android phone. Then after that, I would say get you a camera if you can afford one. But if you can't afford one, you can use your phone. These phones nowadays have great quality to me. And don't worry about the quality. When you first start, don't worry about, oh, I need this quality, I need this, I need to spend this amount of money on this camera, I need to have the top. You don't need all that stuff. To get started is to get started. The quicker you start, the faster you into your dreams. Me, myself, started with a very crappy camera. Like the camera was so crappy, like it was crappy. So do not worry about having a top quality camera when you start. Use your cell phone. That's what iPhones are for. That's what Androids are for. They have video recording on there. You could just use that. Also, you need to come up with a YouTube name that you think you'll be able to stick with. If you already have a YouTube name, that's less stress on you. You already create your name, you already know what it's gonna be, so it'll be more simpler and easy for you to get started. Also, get a name that you think you will stick with. The reason why I say that is because you don't want to be changing your name all the time. If you want people to get familiar with you, then you want to keep the same name so they can search that name and know what they're searching. If you change your name, they try to find you and they can't find you, that just make it a little harder. So try to get a name that you think you would stick with. Then set you up a YouTube account. You need a profile picture and you need a banner. The profile picture going, it's a picture right on the, I think it's the left side of the YouTube app, and then you need a picture or whatever you want to put for the banner. I use PicMonkey, that's PICMONKEY. That's what I use to create my YouTube banner with my name and extra little graphics and stuff. Whatever you want to add on there, PicMonkey can definitely help you through all that, what you want to add on your banner to make it look presentable and nice for you. Now, for lighting. Don't think you have to go out and buy all these expensive lights to go behind your camera to beam on you and stuff. I'm gonna tell you right now, natural light from outside is the best light. It's your best friend, trust me. If you could just sit in front of a window and sit your camera up right there in the daytime, there go your natural light right there. Also, daytime is your best friend as a YouTuber. You always want a video in the daytime because it creates more light. If you don't do it in the daytime, then make sure you have a light for nighttime that'll brighten up your scene. So don't worry about like ring lights and stuff if you can't afford it. If you can, get you a ring light, get you a work light, whatever it is to make it look more professional. Now, when you first starting off, you probably want to start off with a niche, or you don't have to. I just say don't be all over the place because you want to build like consistency and bring in subscribers. That means they're coming to your channel to look for a certain thing, to look for a certain video. So you kind of like don't want to be all over the place. But I say you can be all over the place because you never know what your niche may be if you're trying to find it and you don't know what videos best suit you or your subscribers or people that's just clicking to view your video. Then I say start filming. Whether you're vlogging outside, vlogging inside, do not be afraid to record in front of people, around people, because if you do, then your videos cannot flow naturally. People can tell. Like me, when I watch other people's videos, I can tell if you're worried or scared or nervous because you're around people. Just let it flow naturally. They may not know what you're doing, but people that's watching your video, you're doing it for them. So always do it for them. Don't worry about people that's watching you out in public if you're going to do vlogging videos. If you're doing it at home in a setting, you're going to be there by yourself, so you don't have too much pretty to worry about. Or even if you're not there by yourself, don't worry about what other people think. Film. You're filming for the people. You're filming for your subscribers. You're filming for your viewers. Do not worry about other people. This is not a platform you should worry about other people on. If you want to do this content, is you. You are the creator. Always be yourself. People love when you just be yourself. Even if you can't come up with video ideas, ask friends, ask family members, ask people some ideas. You never know what they may come up with, and you may like what they come up with. So video ideas is always good. It's always a plus. And always remember, quality over quantity. Meaning, don't just be uploading random stuff, too much random stuff that don't make no sense, because that's quantity. That meaning more. You feeling like, oh, let me upload 50 videos. That's going to gain me subscribers. That's going to gain me views. No, you want to do quality videos, meaning professional. All these that I just set up in front of this camera and told you are everything I used. So I'm not telling you anything that I haven't used. So any questions you have about this video, you can comment down below, and I do answer questions back. Don't be afraid to ask anything you have to say below. Don't forget to click the like button. Don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. Make sure you ring that bell. But for now, I'm out. Peace.